Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Alia, I have to ask you. You must have been given a brief कि गाना है घर मोरे परदेसिया, पिक्चराइज हुआ है माधुरी जी के साथ. What was your हालत like in that moment?
Well, I had one very important question कि क्या मैं माधुरी मैम के साथ डांस कर रही हूँ? और अभिषेक ने कहा नहीं. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है. He's like, but she'll be there standing the whole time watching you.
Judging you?
So no, watching. Judging is a bit of a negative emotion, but I would say watching me. And then I said, okay, I don't know what's worse. Because having Madhuri ma'am just standing there looking at me, or the fact that I may dance with her, and it's okay, then even nobody's going to look at me anyway, so it's okay, I probably just run with it. But ma'am was very, very, very kind, very supportive, constantly telling me how to spot. Remember when I had to take those spins? Whenever I needed to spot, she said, look at me, don't worry, and I'll just spot here.
That's the hardest part, looking at you. ऐसे कितना nervousness होगा. But she really brought out the whole, adaएं and itrana and all that in you. I've never seen even that avatar before.
Well, honestly, it's the song, and all credit goes to the way it was shot and everything.
Fabulous. And what did you have to critique on Alia's performance?
There's no critique. I think I was enjoying myself watching her. It was a surprise that she was doing like a classical number. और इतना अच्छे तरीके से कर रहे थे, and I was like surprised. I said, wow, that's great. Because she put her heart and soul into it. I think you rehearsed for it. And it all showed, and it's so beautiful. The song is beautiful, and it's celebratory, and everybody's happy, and she's smiling, and she's just looking beautiful.
बस बुला दिया, नचा दिया.
बहुत भूख. आप लोगों को कुछ खाना वाना दिया? क्या दिया? बस. अच्छा.
Great.
अरे तो हम लोग को भी कुछ दे दो ना.
अरे स्टार्स को हमेशा मिलता रहता है, अभी क्या देंगे हमें?
स्टार्स को कुछ नहीं देते, सिर्फ गाली.
I'm kidding.
Oh, nice. ये
Take one, paper plate में.
ये पाव है पर वड़ा नहीं है इसके अंदर.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
चटनी है, पाव में चटनी.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ, ये क्या?
नहीं.
अरे
छोटा चलेगा, वड़ा चाहिए ना?
तुमको भी. You all have got पाव बगैर.
चटनी पाव.
That's how we roll, guys. That's how we roll. और कुछ आ रहा है? बस there's
कुछ
only
और तो दे दो ना.
savory stuff. There's no
vada
sweet.
leaf pav.
Do we have any? Let's see if we get the other one right.
I'm off a diet, so I don't mind having something sweet.
Guys, और कुछ है नहीं budget में, और कुछ था ही नहीं. So this is all you're gonna get. But possibly have vada without pav, right? Like what is even going on?
Yeah.
Exactly like that. Mumbai के बगैर जग्गू तराना नहीं हो सकता है. We have Jaggu Tarana in the house joining the Thank you so much for joining the Ishq family. Appa colleagues बन चुके हैं. और क्या? It's going to be fun. Take a seat. Let's get the ball rolling for the entire team of Kalank. Let's give it up for the team of Kalank and Jaggu Tarana.
Also, thank you for the excitement. I mean, there's like Alia, there's Madhuri ji, there's Varun, there's Adi, and then we were the grand reveal. Wow. Okay. Thank you for the excitement.
Once again. Thank you very much. This opportunity is absolutely fabulous. It's also surreal to be here, being launched at the same time as with them. Thank you.
मैं सच बोल दूँ, it's a very big deal for us also. जग्गू और तराना बहुत ही iconic pair है रेडियो के, जो हम सब ने कभी ना कभी अपने जिंदगी में सुना है इन लोगों को. They went off radio. You all have been on a hiatus for how long now?
Quite a few years.
See, it boils down to revealing ages. So we're trying to avoid. No, but you're right. It's been years.
So
it's been
Alia
years.
was in school when we stopped.
We've discussed how I was 9 years old.
When we started, you were about 8 or 9.
Were you in school when you were 8 or 9? Or?
No, obviously I was in school.
You started acting at what age?
When I was 18, 17.
No, your launch was not then, no? Your actual launch, Sangha, oi.
No, you
Sangharsh.
Stop lying.
I forgot about it.
What they call child artist.
I was 6 that time.
6. So 6 साल की उम्र में she stopped school then.
What rubbish.
She became an actor. She was a working actor.
Poll खोल रहा है, or should I just sit on him?
Yeah, you should sit on him.
I think you should sit on him and then never get up.
You'll notice now,
Who?
always in any panel, I will always be the largest.
Acha, you said you. I thought you were saying you come and sit on me. I was like,
So Kalank, we've seen the trailer, we've seen all the songs. Where is the song with you dancing in it? Where is the song with the two of you dancing together? When do we get to see that?
so
The marketing head will answer.
That would be Varun.
no, I think it's Alia also. But why don't you say
Yes.
what's next?
Honestly, Madhuri ma'am's song is a very, very special song in the film. And also for us, because it's Madhuri ma'am and Saroj ma'am collaborating after a really long time. And it is, yeah, I think that, and it is, I have to say, one of my favorite songs. It's one of my favorite songs in the albums. Like, I play that song first always every morning. I listen to the whole album. And Madhuri ma'am's song I play first.
But
Have you
Sarojji
picked
herself is
Or
quite
Ga-
excited about it. She's been, well, after a long time actually talking to the press.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
So actually, it's
But
been
it was a
fabulous.
very big deal, and I was there in that moment as well, actually, when Saroj ma'am came on set to see the set when they were going to discuss. And I just saw the energy between the two of them. It was so beautiful.
I just want to know, Ki, you said you listen to the song a lot because even I listen to it a lot. What do you do when you listen to the song? What are you doing usually?
What do you mean?
Matlab, when you're hearing the song, what are you doing most of the
Singing?
time? No, because it's called Tabah Ho Gaye. So, matlab, usually मैं जब नहा रहा हूँ तो मैं गाने सुनता हूँ, but Tabah Ho Gaye.
I can listen to it when I'm in the car, when I'm like, when I'm doing my hair and makeup, when I'm in the shower, whenever I want.
I'm going to listen to it when I work out because it's called Tabah Ho Gaye. और जब मैं बहुत सारे sets कर रहा हूँ, मैं बस वो गाना गाऊँगा.
You know, that's so interesting. We put it out on Insta just a couple of hours ago that Varun's physique gets better and better with every movie. And I don't have a movie to watch, but I've seen the trailers and I know this is you and me, but oh my God, well done.
It's a very intimate moment we've just
It
shared.
was a very intimate.
No,
Yes,
but
Varun's physique is lovely, but coming back to the song,
Yeah.
it is out on the 9th.
we hope गाना
that's the
out
next
होने
song,
वाला
तबाह
है
हो
on
गए.
9th of April. बहुत बड़ा गाना है. Saroj Khan, Madhuri Dixit back after how many years, ma'am?
I think 5-6 years. I worked with her in Gulab Gang. She did one of my songs in Gulab Gang. And after that, we are working on this movie, on this song. I think it's a beautiful song. It's sad. It's got some lovely beats. And there's a lot of heart in the song. Because the story is also going on and coming to a head. And, you know, so there are a lot of elements in the song which kind of adds to it.
I want to ask a dance related question. मुझे पूछना है कि आपने rehearsal कितने दिनों के लिए की मैम इसके लिए ये गाने के लिए
30 minutes, probably.
नहीं मैं हमेशा रिहर्स करती हूँ अपने सॉन्ग्स के पहले और इसके लिए मैंने आई थिंक आई रिहर्स फॉर 2-3 days for this song. Yeah.
No, but there is one portion in the song, ma'am, which I think we should talk about over here since we're all here, where you do some chakkars.
Oh,
I think we should discuss that because that
It's
that was just like, it just blew our mind. How many chakkars have you taken in this?
I didn't count how many checkers I did, but it was a coda जो चलता रहता है. And we thought, how do we make it different dance wise? Because उसमें we could have done a lot of other things, but then it becomes very common. So we thought, why not just take different kind of chakkars there are in dance in Kathak. So we have done like different chakkars in that continuously, like in one shot.
Yeah,
So
for whole one shot.
yeah, so it was nice, it was fun, and it's always wonderful working with Sarojji because I think we share a lovely rapport. I understand her, and I think she shoots women, like when she works with women, there's no way. I mean, she just makes the woman look beautiful, and it was wonderful working with her again.